Hello there everyone, this is Brother Birch. In this video I wanted to talk about how to set up Putty, the program that we're going to use throughout this course to access many files, assignments, tests, and things that you're going to have to use throughout this course. So in this course we use a Linux server that houses all of that, and it's a really good experience because in many professional environments similar types of servers are used to house data and to help with all sorts of things. But anyways, so I'm on the home page of our course here. I'm going to click on modules. And then in modules at the very top, you'll see a getting set up in the Linux lab link. Okay, so go ahead and click on that. That's what you're going to need. And it explains a couple of things that you're going to have to do to be able to do this. But right now I'm on a Microsoft Windows machine. So we are going to be setting up Putty. There are a lot of different ways to do this. You can actually set it up inside of several advanced IDEs, and there's a lot of different ways to do it. Putty is an extremely simple program with very basic functionality, but it's very widely used because of that. It works very well. So anyways, go ahead and click on this link. When you click on it, it'll take you to this page, okay, with the latest released version of Putty. All right, I'm running a 64-bit Windows machine, so I would just click on this. And as soon as it's done installing, I actually just installed it a second ago, but you can just click on this and then just go through and just leave it on all the default settings. Just hit next until it gives you the option to finish, and then finish. Have your computer allow that install, and then it'll be installed on your computer. Okay. From there, you can just go into your start menu, and type in Putty, and that'll show up for you there. Okay, and I just opened its file location, and so here's where it's showing up, where we downloaded it, just in our programs file, and it's this file right here that we're going to be using. This other stuff's good, but we're never going to look at it. Okay, so this file right here, go ahead and open it, and you'll see a window like this come up. Okay, so on here you can put an IP address in, change the port, tell it what type of connection you want to make. You can actually save different type of session connections for future use so that you don't have to type these in every single time. But let's go ahead and go back to iLearn here, and let's see here. We'll just come back, and I'm going to click on Putty right here. All right, so here's where we just downloaded that from. If I go down a little bit further, you can see that's exactly what our window looks like. And then you have a number of different IP addresses that you can choose. Okay, these are all different different IP addresses that you can use with values of 201 to 210 that are all part of this Linux lab. It doesn't make a difference which one you choose. We'll just go ahead and copy this one for this video. Okay, it's between IPs 201 and 210, and that's all that matters. Okay, and then we'll make sure that our port is 215, and then we're going to save that so that we can access that later. And let's get to that point. So let me pull this up. I'll paste that there. Okay, we'll change this port to 215, and then I will save this. All right. Now on here, if I hit open, server's hotkey is not cached in the registry. Okay, just hit, if you do not trust this host, hit cancel to abandon the connection. But we do trust the host, so let's just say yes, we want to connect. And then in here, you have to log in. So if I come back to this screen, we'll see what the instructions are for us actually being able to log in. Okay, it says you'll be prompted for your net ID. Okay, that is your BYUI email address. Whatever your email address is, you'll use that like first portion for your net ID. And then once you type that in and hit enter, you'll just type in your temporary password, which is this guy right here, and then you'll be logged into the session. So I just logged in, and when I get in here, I don't really see anything, but I am logged in. I can tell that because you can see this guy right here, and I'm actually logged in. If I type in ls, I can see that this would be empty for you. I added a folder named CS124, but if I say cs ... and type in ls, you can see here all the users that have used this server, that have logged into it. And among these is mine somewhere in here. But so I am on the server. So that is how you can use Putty to get into the server. If I just close this, I'll say, yes, I want to close the session. Nothing else happens. It just closes it. And then if I open up Putty again, I could either type in that again, or if I save those settings, then I could open it again and it would just pop up the same way as before. Okay, so make sure Putty is stored in, or at least a shortcut of it is stored in an easily locatable place on your computer. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful for you.